Hello everyone. So recently I was trying to figure out just how hard it would be to take a power head off an Evinrude Outboard. Generally, I haven't seen too many good videos on this. Most of them, some of them show good amount of info, but I couldn't find any for the 90s Evinrudes. This is a 1994 Evinrude 40 HP. And I have an extra motor as a parts motor, so I was just wondering if I were to actually do this to my primary engine, is this feasible, or how difficult is this to do? And it actually ended up being much easier than I thought. So this is all you really need to do to remove the power head from the bottom half. Now, obviously, disconnect the lower unit. You take out the shift rod and everything, so everything with the propeller comes off. That's pretty quick. You take off the lower cowling, so the lower plastic cover of the motor. And at this point, there really are only 9 bolts that hold this thing together. So you want to remove 4 on each side of this right here, and the ones on the corners you actually keep because they hold the bottom, like the second layer of the casing in. So it's really just 8 bolts, 4 here and 4 on the other side. And the last one is right here. It's kind of like it's a nut. You'll see it if you look below. You'll see there's just a nut, and all you have to do is pretty much unscrew that. And at this point, when I first did this, it didn't really come apart, and I don't know, I was kind of by myself, so I wasn't sure exactly. I had no way to lift it. I wasn't really sure how to get it apart, so it kind of sat for a little bit. And then just today, I decided, why not just try to give it another split, because I knew I unscrewed everything. So all I did is I took this giant wrench, put it right here, so that fit right in the little groove that's over here, and just 2 or 3 kind of turns with this wrench, pop the bottom half off perfectly. And I must say that it was very easy. It was much easier than I expected. This is actually something I never thought I could consider doing on my primary motor, but having done this, literally it's 9 bolts and removing the cowling. If you have the tools there and the lower unit, you could literally do it, the entire process, both the cowling and the lower unit, in 20 minutes. So considering in possibly under an hour, if you have no problems at all, you could have the power head disconnected from your motor. That's pretty awesome.